your example for today, this is just one of them. Okay, you're given a right triangle ABC. These are your side lengths. Little a is 3, little b is 4, little c is 5. All right, the first thing you should be doing is drawing the triangle out. So if you draw the right triangle out, you label the triangle A, B, and C for the angles, and then you adjust for the sides. Little a is this one, little b is that one, little c is that one, of course. All right, now the next thing you should be doing is sticking in these numbers into those spots. So little a, this side is 3, b is 4, and this side is 5. All right, now your problem is going to be to set up the 3 trig ratios for angle A. Again, you want to go through and circle angle A, right? And then you name the sides. All right, this is always going to be the hypotenuse. And this side, again, it always crosses the adjacent side. Now, when you go to figuring out what the ratios are for your trig, remember that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite side is 3, the hypotenuse is 5. And that's all you have to do, right? It's pretty easy. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So you're doing 4 over 5. And then tangent then becomes opposite side over the adjacent side, which is then opposite side is 3, adjacent side is 4. So your tangent of theta A, is 3 over 4. Now if they choose B, again, the difference is the naming of the sides. Okay, so when you circle them, you're going to have different names for this side and this side. The hypotenuse will always stay the same. Right, there is an acronym that you can memorize for knowing which one is associated with which, and that acronym is called SOHCAHTOA. Right, this is sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent, right? Sometimes I think, and I prefer using this memorization part because you can go backwards to this when you get later on. There are 3 other inverse trig functions that you will use eventually down the road. And if you learn this setup like this, it does the same thing as this. This first part is the sine, this is cosine, this is tangent, but it shows you what the relationship is as far as a fraction is concerned. So you can do either one to help you memorize what is going on. Like I said, this one I prefer to use because it looks like these right here, right?